that you are the love of my life. I knew when you came through the door that you are the love of my life.
What's up, Days friends? Daisy here, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, as you can see, kay manakog ka ng kung ano makeup. Today is the wedding of my brother and Ate Phil, my family.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin.
Kini si Itzel, ani akaw ninhi, dawa kong bani mo siya may bana, so manasalaga sa paminahan sa Indonesia.
Akong magpunta.
Uyon ka ba ang iyang asawa?
Uyon pa rin.
Isa rutin sinis, timangan sa akong Panginoon. Kung pagpunong ka sa Amahan, sa Anak, sa Espiritu Santo.
Kinsay, sulod kining sisi, timaan sa akong pagkibunga.
Pag-unong kanina.
O pag-unong kanina. Sa ngalang samahan, sa Anak, sa Espiritu Santo.
To see the blossom in the dark. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that it was is alright.
Ano masasabi ng dalawa? Charot lang.
Well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. It's a good not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow.
Salamat, Shopee.
Something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. It's a good day today.
God is always the center of your relationship. And I believe through my experience, I have been in 25 years of marriage, and I prove it that always God is always there for our relationship, and it will last forever. Thank you.
Trying to reach the sky. Every hour I lose my mind. Now I'm ready to dance the night away. Maybe I'm crazy, trying so hard for something amazing. I don't understand it at all. I guess it should be that way. Telephone calling, you tell me you're gone. You got all the reasons we don't expect. You're just a single wreck. And how could I wait while you're walking away? I feel so much better alone. Still I'm used to coming back.
Ayong utto kanatong tanan. Una na kong ipasalamatan ang barangay Tabagat. Nagipagamit ko aning covered board. Kay OTO mo lang ginina ko, ako ni gamit ko covered board. Nakaligo lang pa dito tamuha ron. Kalaway guys ako mga sponsors. Yan, nagpasalamat ko sa mga advisor na ako. Salamat po sa mga advice na ako na anin ko mas covered board mo mag-reception. Kaya kung wala lagi, paambot lang, naunsa na taron ani. Ano nili? Pagdilag-dalay lang mo kayo. Ano din yung kanya? Walay tagtikuhay. Kung walay ka na problema sa usa, i-share kayo sa usa. Wala na. Kaya salamat.
Whenever I'm off to find a sunset, a flavor of a memory. Whenever all the stars above are shining.
Salamat! Hoy! Salamat! Alas ka di siya, hamoy. Hello, oy! Short signal! Oy, yun ako eh. Masama siya. Alam, wait ako sa... Oh my God! Ada mo sa mga tao, pero madog na. Alam, ginagawan! Ano nagagawan? Okay.
May kapon sa among mga bisita sa among ginikanan diri. In behalf of my wife, karon nagpasalamat kami sa among ginikanan nga very supportive nga sa nagpakuanan niya ang kuan sa nisugot nga among ni gamiton kini nga lugar para ma-held lang ang reception sa among kasal. Sa among principal sponsor, secretary sponsor, sa very supportive nga mga friends, mga kuan ni Pili diri, sa wala diri ang kuan, yang relatives kay naaya ko mo support niya. Kato dako masalamat nako tanan sa tambong. Salamat kayo.
Kakaibaw ako kauli-o nagit kamo kayo pero kay usog man kay ulan. So wala ko'y mahimo, stay lang sa gyud ta dire. Okay, so magpasalamat ako inang first sa pamilya Hazel ay pag-plan pa lang namo nga magpakasal ni todo suporta kaayo sila, never should nga isulti sila nga dili. So go. Iyang mga isuon very supportive. Ay, Mama Ate, Mama Oping. Ay naman si Papa Inik. Wala na. Ay, namara. Pakita. Ito ito.
Ano?
Okay. Kay Papa Inik. Okay. Sukat-sukat manggod nga, nagkauyab ni. Maulaw ko mutawag niya, kuya, tito. So, dili na dyan kumot yung mutawag. Iko, in case magkadayon minitsel, after sa winning, ako matawag ko pa. So, again, hi, Papa Inik. Okay, so magpasalamat ko sa akong mga co-teachers. Oy, ay na makamo, ano makamo dira? Okay, full support. Si Ma'am Nunes, ari pa. Ay, Ma'am Nunes, okay, sa among school head na pag sulti na ako nga magpakasal na ko, so at first, kay gusto na ako sa judge lang sa among nasabutan niya. Siyempre, as mama na mo sa school, di-suggest siya nga, okay lang unta, okay na lang kung diretso na lang sa simbahan. So, mauni nga nadayon sa simbahan, yun, bala na duwan. Okay, thank you ma'am. Thank you mga kauban sa suporta na maglingon ako. Okay, sa amon mga ninang kagninong, gamay na lang, na mauli na uban. I-edit ra na dira dapita ka nang hila ko. Okay, so sa tanan, sa amon MC, sa nag-sit up sa MSM, then sa tanan nga nitabang para matigayon ng amon kasal. Salamat kaayo, ating salamat kaayo.
The knife, and I can feel the sun on my skin.
Fun guys program. So actually kay giuwan gyud siya no. Grabe gyud kay ang uwan gyud nara jud ni wala jud siya ni kundang gyud ang uwan. Good thing na naagid ni sa kuan sa covered court sa Tabagak. So thank you so much to our barangay captain for allowing us to use the covered court. And also guys, I just want to give a shout out to this amazing team here that have been introduced kay. This is Dindo. This is our MC.
Yes.
So if you want to invite everyone.
So if you want your event very successful, please you can chat me on Messenger or visit me on Facebook.
Makeup artist, si Steve Jobs, joke. Sa to?
Steve Mata.
Steve Mata and
Richard Cruz. Ricardo Cruz.
Si Ricardo.
Richard Cruz.
Kung man siya, nakay Facebook page.
Yes,
for your events, if you want to be beautify yourself, charot lang, please contact me, and I have my own page, Richard Cruz Makeup Artistry, or you can message me on my FB account, Richard Cruz at Richard Cruz.
Yes, and of course our amazing photographer, Garlet. Amazing kayo. So, ingon ba ako beautiful ba yan nyo? So, kada amazing ni siya kay grabe. Sayo kay siya ni Mata. Kanang kuhan good kayo. So,
just follow my Instagram, check my shots, girl-filled shots.
yes.
Or
And,
check my Facebook account.
yes, guys.
Okay, Facebook page.
So, if you have kanang upcoming events, so, i-contact lang dyan sila guys. Kaya amazing good kayo na sila. And, natin ako sister niya. Ang naguan. Nagwag na nga utod. Relax! Joke lang. Pero dito, and also guys, before I will forget, kanang, I would also like to thank MSM. So, sa beautiful nila na set up, grabe dyan kayo. Wala dyan minagmahay na kanang sila dyan na magikuha na rin na mag-set up. So, from the reception, from church, padongo dire. So, amazing kayo guys. So, to just contact MSM. I will also put the link in the description box so that you can also contact them. Or maybe I can also get the number. So, yes guys, mura to siya. What a very successful event. Although, hindi siya kuwan, pero at least kanang basta happy good kayo may. And to Kuya Edsel and Ate Feli, congratulations. And sa'yo mo masulti ka kuya. That's my brother guys. By the way guys, support the desserts di ay na si Ate Maricon. I will also put the link in the description box. So kato mo mga kanang kuan, mga cakes and mga cupcakes, mga dessert buffet. So sa iya mi nag-book ato. So that's all guys. I will end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, please make sure to follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is at iamdaysee and my Facebook page is Daisy. So that's all, guys. Always remember that every day is a chance to see the beauty of God's creations, and always seize the day. Thank you so much for watching.